just a little bit of rapeseed oil, our 2 heaped tablespoons of butter ghee, whole spices, which is cassia bark. You can use stick cinnamon as well. We're going to 1 piece of that in there, 1 tejpata, which is 1 Asian bay leaf, and then our 3 petals of star anise with our teaspoon of methi leaves. We can go in with our garlic, and now we can go in with our 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Go in with 2 teaspoons, just level teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of freshly ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Slow things down a little bit now our spices have cooked. Our salt. Now we're going to put in our butter. So we're now going to go in with our cream. Take a look at that.